Hi guys, Abhishek here from Engulfing. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about what are the habits of top traders. It is very important for you to master the trading psychology before you move on to the systems and methods and actually start executing trades in real market. Okay, because to be honest, 70 or 80 or maybe 90% of the entire business is based on psychology, how you can handle losses and profits. Okay, how you can handle your thought process, how you can handle the noise in the market. It is very important for you to understand that. All right, so without further ado, let's move on. So the top traders, they think for themselves. All right, that means they do not let other people tell you what to do. They do not let other people tell you what to buy or sell. They think for themselves. They have a particular system that they have faith on, and then they just execute their trades based on a particular system, rather than someone telling me or telling you or telling any successful trader to take a position on something else. Okay, so they think for themselves. They don't care when others disagree. All right, so if you have an opinion based on your own system, and you know that I don't like discussing the book. So if you have open positions, please don't discuss your trade book. Please, it's just not right. Okay, but in case, even if you do discuss it with someone and the other person disagrees with you, successful traders don't care. Their fundamental or their logic is very simple. If I have a system and it is telling me to go short or long, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna worry about what the other person is saying, because the other person might be wrong or right, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to a successful trader. He just believes in his system. He says, whenever this system gives me a selling or a buying indication, I'm gonna do that. Okay, successful traders can trade safely through chaos. That means when there's a lot of noise in the market, a successful trader, using his own strategy or a system, can surf through that chaos very easily. Okay, he needs to stay away from the noise. He stays away from the noise, and he can do that successfully. Successful traders are always learning. Believe me, my father is like 65 years old now. He's still learning. He still reads books. Okay, any successful person of any other business as well, you know that it doesn't matter how old you've become, how successful you've become, you are still learning every day. All right, make it a point that you learn something new every day. And even when you're trading, even when you have a system that is working, you're still learning every day, because time is evolving, technology is evolving, markets are evolving. Okay, it's very important for you to learn what's happening right now. It's very important for you to be with the generation. Do not participate in market debate. Top traders don't participate in market debate. All right, whenever there is an argument about who's right, who's wrong, or whenever there's argument about why is this falling or why is this going up, top traders stay away from that, because it affects their thought process. All right, it affects their decision making. Because if you are trying to go long in a certain stock or in a certain situation, and somebody starts a debate where they shower a lot of information on you fundamentally, that this is not going right, the director is this, or etc etc, right, you might just your thought process might just change. You might just change your decision. But whatever is going to happen is going to happen according to your system. All right, you are going to trade according to your system. So top traders don't participate in market debate, and that is a very, very healthy sign of a trader. Very important, top traders cut losses quickly. They don't let ego come in the way of their business. All right, I read somewhere that stock market is a very expensive place to test your ego. Okay, so don't really have attachment to your your positions. If you think you're going wrong, if you think your position is wrong, cut losses quickly, get out, and look for another opportunity. Okay, that would be my advice as per, uh, as a successful trader is concerned. Do cut losses quickly. How would you know when to cut it? Obviously, you have a system, you have a strategy. If you don't, do learn a system, learn a strategy, and once you do, you will know how to cut your losses and when to cut your losses. Very important. When you begin, especially, you need to trade small. Don't go big immediately. Have a risk management, have a money management in place that will help you identify the position size, and then you can, execute trades. But trade small. I mean, believe me, if I when I teach people and they spend time with me on a mentorship program, they spend about 1 month trading on paper only. All right. I tell everyone that a trader has three phases. They lose money, they stop losing money, and then they start earning money. The losing money part, they spend on the paper trade. They spend it with me, and then they trade very small quantity on cash stocks. Okay, very very small, like one stock. Okay, they do that for a couple of weeks or a month. When they realize they've stopped losing money and they've got it, they've understood what's going to happen, and then they dive into futures, or then they dive into bigger quantities in cash stocks. All right, so very important, especially when you're starting up. Successful traders know what position size they want to trade. They don't jump in, they don't they don't double their positions or triple their positions just when they feel like. It's a very calculated position size. Very important, again, please have confidence. If you are not confident of your system, of your strategy, then you're never going to make money, because every time you enter a situation, enter a position, your heart is always, beating faster. You'll always be confused. If you don't have faith in your system, don't start trading. Don't start trading till you find a system that works for you. When you find a timeline that works for you, once you have that confidence, don't let it go, and trade according to that system. All right, be confident. As I say, 4 or 3 out of 10 trades will go wrong. So please don't, uh, you know, after the first few loss-making trades, don't start like crying about it. It's okay. That is how you learn. Okay. And finally, don't quit. See, there are two things that you can do from it. Okay. Either you can quit and you say, oh, this is not for me. It is possible that's not for you. It's the business. All businesses are not for everyone, right? Either you realize that it's not for you after trying for a while, okay, or you learn from it and you make sure you don't repeat those mistakes and you actually start making money. All right, and that is absolutely possible. Once you don't understand how it works, once you are almost giving up, get yourself a mentor, and believe me, you'll start making money. All you need is someone to tell you that you're doing wrong, or someone to tell you this is the right way to go about it. All right, I remember I was teaching someone from UK who trades in Forex, and he was like, you're my last resort. I know, because he knew me from someone else, and this is what he said, like, you're my last resort. I think I am almost giving up on this. He's a chemical engineer on that as well. So he had a business because of COVID situations. He was about to lose his job, and he's like, I want to do this full time, but I don't know, I'm going wrong. There's something which is not happening. And obviously there, he was buying all kind of signals and tip services and stuff, which wasn't working for him. After a month, he learned how to trade, and he started with 20 pounds, I think. Yeah, 20 pounds. And I think a month later it was 130 pounds. Okay, he was trading Forex. Obviously, this result is not for everyone. Everyone can't do this. But that is what he did. Right? He traded Forex, and he made a £20, a £20 account to a £130 account. All right, and then he was independent. He is an independent trader now. So don't quit, guys. This is very important for you to understand. Don't quit. Practice, backtest, and if you're not getting it right, get yourself a mentor and do it correctly. These were the top habits of top traders. You guys need to understand how this game works. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much. If you like my content, if you like this video, if you want more videos from me, please do comment, share, and like the channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.